All right, hello everyone, Vasseei here. This is your second video for section 6.1. You can kind of consider it to be the 6.1 extension. Our main focus is going to be just how to tell when you're done simplifying. We're going to be doing problems where you have to multiply first and then combine a bunch of like terms. And the main thing, again, I want you to focus on is making sure you really know when you're done. All right, so we'll be basically going through four examples. First one here is the expression 9 times x minus 5 minus 7 times x plus 2. Your first step is going to be to distribute the 9 into this difference here. And I kind of like to think of this is distributing the negative 7 into this sum here. And so that'll be 9x minus 45, oh, that's bad 5, math mistake, and then this will be minus 7x minus 14, and just because that is a little messy, I'm going to rewrite this expression quick. All right, and then from here, I'm going to combine the like terms. First pair is 9x minus 7x. That gives me 2x. And then the other pair of like terms are here, negative 45 and negative 14. Negative 45 minus 14 is negative 59. And there we go. At this point, we are done. Once you get to the point where the expression no longer has any like terms, and you've done all of your multiplying, you just move on to the next problem. These are unlike, again, because they do not have matching variables. This one has an x. This one doesn't have anything. So that's our answer. Alrighty. Next one we're going to do is number 2 here, which is x times x plus 2 plus 6 times 2x squared plus 4x. Again, I'm going to start off by multiplying. I'll distribute the x into this sum here and the 6 into this sum here. So I'll have x squared plus 2x, and then here I'll have 12x squared plus 24x. And then at this point, I'm ready to combine like terms. I have one pair right here. X squared plus 12x squared is 13x squared. And then I also have a pair of like terms here. 2x plus 24x gives me 26x as a result. And at this point, we are done. These terms are considered unlike because even though they share the same variable, they both have an x in this case. This one has an exponent of 2 on the x. This one has an exponent of 1 on the x. Even though you can't see it, there is an implied 1, which means they're unlike. Two terms are only considered to be like terms if they have the same variables and the same exponents on those variables. So this is our answer. Done. All right, next one we're going to go over is number 3, which is the expression 6 times x minus y plus y times 3x minus 1 plus x times y minus 8. There we go. First thing I'm going to do is distribute. I've got 3 spots where I have to do that. First spot will give me 6x minus 6y. Just multiplied the 6 through. Second spot will give me 3xy minus y. And then right here, I'll have plus x, y, minus 8x. There we go. And now at this point, I'm going to combine like terms. First pair I see are here and here. So 6x minus 8x is negative 2x. Very good. And then here, next pair. Negative 6y minus another y is negative 7y. And then lastly, I've got these two right here. 3 xy's plus one more xy is 4 xy in total. And at this point, I'm done. There are no more like terms. There isn't another term with just an x, there is another term with just a y, and there isn't another term with an x and a y. So, there we go. Moving on. Alrighty. So number 4 is a little bit different. This one just has a product as one of the terms in the expression, a pretty complicated product, 3x squared times 4x. And then the other term is the product of a monomial, 2x, and a binomial, x plus x squared. So I've got this spot to multiply here. I'm going to do that first. So 3x squared times 4x is going to be 12x to the 2 plus 1 power. Whenever you're multiplying like variables or matching variables, you add their exponents. So 2 plus the invisible 1 that's there. And then over here, I'm going to distribute. So this will be plus 2x to the 1 plus 1 power. Plus 2 times x to the 1 plus 2 power. And because I can already hear the question, no, you do not need to show this. If you understand this and get the concept, you can just do this in your head. I just figured it'd be a good idea to remind you guys where that concept comes from. I probably won't be doing this when I show my work in the future. So we'll have 12x cubed plus 2x squared plus 2x cubed. I have a pair of like terms here. And so when I do 12x cubed plus 2x cubed, I get 14x cubed as a result. And then I'm just going to carry this down. And now at this point I'm done. I no longer have any more like terms because the exponents don't match on the x's. So all done. That is the end of your videos for the week. Tomorrow, Friday, you will have just a concept check, and then next week is when the normal pace for the class will begin. I hope all of you are well. Vasseei out.